Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of web programming, web technology. So, our first question is, what are tables in web programming? Given options are A. Display information which are already accessed by the user. Option B. Containing more numbers of rows than columns. Option C. To only store data to be accessed later by the user. Option B. Display information in rows and columns used to display all manner of data that fits in a grid. Your correct answer is option B. Display information in rows and columns used to display all manner of data that fits in a grid. So tables displays information in rows and columns. They are commonly used to display all manner of data that fits in a grid such as train schedules, television listening, financial reports, and sports results, etc. Our next question, which element to use to give title to a table? Given options are A. Caption, B. Headline, C. Title, D. Heading. So, your correct answer is option A. Caption. By using caption element rather than just describing the purpose of the table in a previous or subsequent paragraph, you are directly associating the content of the table with this description, and this association can be used by screen readers and by applications that process web pages, such as search engines. Our next question, what does TD stands for? TD means table data. Given options are A. Table database, B. Table data, C. Table directory, D. Table direct row. Your correct answer is option B. Table data. While a row is contained inside a TR tag, TR element, each cell is then written inside the row element using a TD element or TD tag, which stands for table data. If you are looking at a web page and want to know whether that page is using a table to control how the data is laid out, you can always look at the source for that page. Our next question, what are forms in web programming? Given options are they are matrices on web page, B. They are used to create table data and its information, C. They allow you to enter data which can be processed to servers. Option D. They are the information filled by the server side. Your correct answer is option C. They allow you to enter data which can be processed to servers. So forms can look a lot like papers or database. Forms. A form is filled using text boxes, check boxes, radio buttons, for example, applying or order a product from online, or it's a Google search result. Our next question, what are frames? Given options are A. They divide a web page, B. They are the types of borders used for a web page, C. They are the type of borders used by web browsers, D. They divide the browser into two or more pieces or panes. Your correct answer is option D. Frames divide the browsers into two or more pieces or panes. Browsers gets divided into panes by frame, with each pane containing a separate web page. The advantages are that they offer you where you can load and reload single panes without having to reload the entire content of the browser window. Thank you.